Are you feeling down and needing a pick-me-up? Well, you're just in luck. Howard shows us how to make a feel-good smoothie bowl in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
I hope you had a good 4th. I know I did. On days like this, after having a day off during the week, you may need something to give you a bit of a jump start. My recommendation is a smoothie bowl. It's easy to make, super colorful, and packed with goodness. The one I'm making today starts off like a traditional smoothie, since we add a bunch of fruit to our blender. Here I'm using frozen mango, raspberries, and strawberries. Starting with frozen fruit makes it so much better since it makes it extra thick. To that, add in a sliced banana, some ice, almond or regular milk, and a bit of honey. We give it a whirl until everything is smooth. You may need to scrape down the sides to make sure everything gets mixed evenly. Then we pour this into a cereal bowl, and here comes the fun part. We top it with lots of fruit, nuts, and granola. You can even drizzle on some Greek yogurt. What a nice contrast to yesterday's 4th of July eat until you're stuffed buffet. And not only is this refreshing, but it's also packed with antioxidants, it's low in fat, and it's filled with fiber. To get the recipe for our feel-good smoothie bowl, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a very smooth way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website